Hi, this is a webinar on how to use the Period Cycler widget in the Reports tool in the ThinkWave system. The Period Cycler allows you to create a list of classes and periods that a student has, so you could create something like a schedule. You can see an example of the type of schedule you can create in the sample schedule. This schedule is more detailed than what we're going to create, but it gives you an idea of what's possible with the Reports tool. Now go to the Reports tab. And since we'll need to preview the widget as we adjust the look of it, we'll need to create a report to save the widget to. Under Custom Reports, click Add Report. Then click Create New Report. And let's call this Demo, and organize this as one student per page. The layout is divided into 12 segments, but for this, we'll just use as a quick reference. So make it 12/12 for the row, and for the cell 12. You'll have to make the other cell 0, which will prompt you to delete it. Then click Save. Now we'll go to the Widget Designer by hovering over here. We'll have to create a couple different widgets to display this properly. First, we'll create a widget to display the student's name. Call it Student Name and make it a table. Then click Save. We go into more details on the table widget in another video. For now, make it one row and one column. Here, we'll enter the merge function. Merge functions are commands that allow you to automatically pull data, such as students' names and grades. The instructions for the merge functions can be found here below the text window. This gives you definitions for the basic functions, and below here you have the command descriptions, the variables available, and a sample. Scroll down here and copy student_name. Then paste it into the table. Let's make it H2 and click Save. Now click Add Widget at the top left. And we'll create another table widget to display the classes and the periods. Call it Classes/Period. Make it 2 columns and 1 row. Then make the first column 2 and the second 10. Scroll down and find the period merge function. Copy and paste it into the cell. Then come back down and find the period classes merge function. Now click Save. And now we'll create the Period Cycler. Click Add Widget at the top. Call it Period Cycler and make it a Period Cycler. Here you can filter the periods that you want to show. And down here we're going to add the Class/Period widget. Then click Save. And now we'll create one more widget. Call it Term Cycler and make it a Term Cycler. At the bottom, add Student Name, then a half space, and finally the Period Cycler widget. Now click Save. Now we're going to preview it. Hover here for the Layout Designer. Then add the Term Cycler to the cell and click Save. To preview this, we'll have to open another tab to thinkwave.com. And go to the Reports tab, then under Custom Report, click Demo. You can see here we have to select the term that we want to display. We'll show Semester 1. Then select a student and click Generate. And as you can see here, we have a simple schedule. Now let's add the times to the periods. Go back to the Classes Period widget and add another column. Now make the second column 2, and the third column to 8. Then move the period classes to the third column. Now go to the merge functions at the bottom, and you'll see the modifiers. You see here you can add start and end. Go back to the second cell, and in the brackets type in period, pipe, start, true. Then outside the brackets, add a dash, and then inside new brackets, type period, pipe, end, true. Then more brackets. Now click Save, and let's preview it. And there you can see all the details in the schedule. And that's how you use the Period Cycler widget and the Reports tool for the ThinkWave system. Thanks for watching.